Welcome to Why Math Works. Today we are turning the real-world geopolitical tension around the Strait of Hormuz into a simple game theory puzzle, a high-stakes game of chicken. Can one narrow waterway become a mathematical trap for the entire world? The Strait of Hormuz is not just a place on a map, it is a bottleneck, a bargaining chip, and right now it looks like a real-life game of chicken. The Strait of Hormuz connects the Persian Gulf to the open ocean. It is narrow, but strategically enormous. If ships cannot pass safely, the problem does not stay local. It spreads into oil markets, shipping insurance, military planning, and global prices. To understand the crisis, imagine two cars driving directly toward each other. If one driver turns away, the other looks strong. If both turn away, both avoid disaster. But if neither turns away, they crash. In the classic game of chicken, each player has two choices: escalate or back down. Escalating can create leverage, backing down can avoid disaster, but the danger is that both sides may choose escalation at the same time. Game theory uses a payoff matrix to show the incentives. If Iran escalates and the USA backs down, Iran gains leverage. If the USA escalates and Iran backs down, the USA gains leverage. If both back down, the result is tense but stable. But if both escalate, everyone gets the worst outcome. Here is the paradox. Each side may think escalation is rational. Iran may think pressure creates bargaining power. The USA may think pressure restores deterrence. But when both sides follow that logic, the shared outcome becomes irrational. In real life, backing down is not just a strategic choice. It can look like weakness. Leaders worry about reputation. Militaries worry about deterrence. Markets worry about uncertainty. So both sides may signal toughness, even if both would prefer avoiding a crash. The strait does not even need to be fully closed to create a crisis. If the risk becomes high enough, some ships may stop moving. In economics, this is expected cost. If the probability of an incident rises, the expected cost rises. And if the cargo is worth hundreds of millions, even a small probability can become too expensive. This is why the Strait of Hormuz is more than a military problem. It is a bottleneck problem. A huge flow depends on one narrow passage. When that passage becomes risky, the whole network feels pressure. So the real question is not just who has more ships, missiles, or oil. The real question is who changes strategy first. Because in the game of chicken, the player who refuses to blink may win. But if nobody blinks, everybody loses. That is all for today. Please write in the comments what video you'd like next. Maybe a new video about mathematical paradoxes, or one about non-traditional ways to solve math problems. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it. Thank you, and stay tuned for another interesting video coming soon.